Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone together, that would be the first method, and we will open IMEI number through the secret code. Just enter *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to both of your SIM cards. Click on OK to go back, and now we'll open those numbers and also serial number assigned to your OnePlus through the settings. So just click on the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, click on About Phone, and now select Status. And here you'll notice both IMEI numbers, and here you've got serial number assigned to this phone. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.